Welcome to the video on how to create a temporary labour requisition. A named individual is being requested as temporary contractor for a short-term assignment without contract or SOW to fill vacancy. This is subject to a collaboration process with different suppliers. Firstly, you'll need to open up Wiley eProcure. If you haven't used Wiley eProcure, take this opportunity to look at the dashboard, which is very easy to configure. The tabs you'll see are dependent on your permission with an eProcure though. From the top tab, select Catalogue and then go to Shop by Category section, which is on the left hand side of the screen. From here you can select Temporary Labour. Have a look at the available positions and their descriptions. In our example we're going to be choosing an accountant. So I'm going to search for account, and as you can see here it'll come up with a number of different types of accounting positions. Now you can only choose one contractor per requisition, so I'm going to select Junior Accountant and add to cart. Though it's worth noting at this point I could in fact compare up to 3 different positions to ensure that I'm getting the correct. I'll now be able to fill in a number of fields such as additional job description, as you can see there's a number here which you can fill in as you wish. Work experience, I think I'll have 4 to 6 years, reason for hire, start date, so I'm going to select the start date which needs to be on the 25th of July until the 22nd of August. You need to enter the rate per hour to be billed by the supplier. This is important later for the collaboration between suppliers. If you ensure that you select that to be 0.01, then it's able to be negotiable later. I'm going to say yes, this contractor is known because I wish to employ somebody who we had previously, and I'm going to say his name was Marty McFly. Invited suppliers. Now I wish to invite a number of known suppliers. I'm going to invite these two and choose both of them. This is because I know that Test UK suppliers had a number of different people, but Gilborn are the one that Martin McFly is using. Right, this is correct. Yep, John Wiley & Sons, I'll be the supervisor. Hours per week 40. I'd like to see his resume now. Overtime accept. No. Okay. Now continue and add this to my shopping cart. Now I'm going to proceed to checkout so I can view this. Now for the requisition title you need to give your initials. I'm going to say this is July 2014. Cover for James Smith. That's all there. Okay, comments. Any comments you wish to put into fields, you're able to there, and either to be visible to supplier on the purchase order or visible to suppliers during the collaboration. You can add attachments. Now this is where you can always add a job description, that kind of thing. You'll also want to look at the so having clicked on approval flow, I can now see that this will go to my manager. It will then go to the collaboration process with the external companies. It will then come on to be seen by myself and the HR manager, and one of us are able to then approve it. It'll then go back for the collaboration process, so they're able to confirm that the position or the person that they supplied will be available for it. They'll then send it through to a customer administrator. Finance must approve for departments with no manager, and then through to my manager for confirmation, and then her manager Now this will be dependent on the amount of money and so on and so forth. So if it's going to be an expensive position, it will of course hit the thresholds to require more approval. I can have a look here. I can click on Junior Accountant to see the full description here. I can then go back and come back to here. So because this is going to be £4,200, okay, I can now click on Submit, and at this point I will have completed the initial process. If you wish to find out what to do at the next process, please see the next video.